Let's go check this corn out, y'all. We got some ready. I pulled one off 2 days ago and it was beautiful. So y'all see how that silk has dried out? And look at. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna pull it on down. See what we got. Look at how pretty that is. Y'all see that corn? That is a good piece of corn right there. That's what we got going on, y'all. Ain't that beautiful? Corn. This is Silver Queen. And all my stalks, y'all, they got 2 on each stalk. So look like I'm gonna get 2 corns per stalk. Look, and that's another one. That one is popping up. But each stalk gave me 2. That one's still going. That one look like it's ready. This one is about ready. But y'all, this what we looking like for the corn, baby. Yes, that's gonna eat real good. Silver Queen.